Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the Cuban Old Fashioned from the 12 Bottle Bar by David Solmonson and Lesley Jacob Solmonson. This drink is going to be made in the glass, or built in the glass, I guess I say. We're going to start with a sugar cube. One sugar cube, if you don't have a cube, is about 7 grams or 1 teaspoon of sugar, and that's going to go in the bottom of the glass. On top of that, I'm going to put 2 dashes of bitters. 2 dashes, there's 2 dashes, there's no metric equivalent. And then a little bit of water, 2 teaspoons of water, and I'll put the metrics down below. Now I'm going to muddle this to break up the sugar cube. And this may take a moment, so I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I did muddle this long enough that the sugar is starting to dissolve, because that's kind of what you want. Now, moving on. It says 1 dash of orange curacao. 1 dash is about, I don't have a dasher bottle, I'm going to put in about a bar spoonful of the orange liqueur. And again, there's no metrics for a dash is a dash. Then, 1.5 ounces of the white rum, and 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. Give that a little stir. And ice. The recipe does say an ice cube or 2 are optional. I would say they're not optional. I would put at least a little bit of ice in there to chill it down. Give it another little stir. And then garnish. The garnish is a twist of lemon. Let's see if I can do this today. Oh, not bad. All right. Express, wipe, and drop. And there you have it. A Cuban Old Fashioned. Drink with good spirits.